Yeah, how about that? Ain't that pretty? I like the way the wires lay like that. I cut out a whole bunch. Took out the plugs and soldered it all together. So hey, I like it. And I added the extra tail light circuit to this guy. So now we've got 2 tail lights on each side of the vehicle. This was the directional one on the outboard side, and the brake light is on the inboard side, and there's your backup light. This side doesn't lay quite as pretty because we had to capitalize on this hole. Well, we didn't have to, but I decided to capitalize on this hole that normally held this down into place. Sorry about that. For the license tag wire to go through. So, I mean, hey, this is vastly better than how it was. Okay, so we got all that done. Tag light is on now, so we're ready to do our thing with the lighting. I think I can say now I'm done with the vehicle lighting. So I got split loom I put on these guys down here. There was quite a bit of sharp edges and stuff on that, and same on that guy. This one over here, put the split loom on. I left the length. It's a little bit on the long side, but I'm not going to get into it that deep. And I can squeeze this thing in here. I'll have to use 2 hands to push that little button in a little bit further so it sits flat like that one. And then I put the split loom on this guy. And took care of all that right there. That was pretty much the last thing. I put some split loom on those and tied them in together right there so that way they all lay nice and they're all taped nice. So feeling good about that. All right, what's the next step? I really would like to put the AC in. The next smart step would be to build that door and install it, and then we can call the bus completely waterproof. Yeah.